Ever see Romaji in captions and have no idea how to actually say it? Today, we're fixing that. Let's make you sound like a real Japanese speaker. Hey friend, welcome to a very special episode of Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and with me,
ヒロです。皆さん、こんにちは。
Hiro. Now this episode is actually happening because of you. So many of you have been leaving comments saying, I can read the Romaji in your captions, but I have no idea how to actually pronounce it. Or how do I say this out loud? And you know what? That's a totally fair question. So today we're doing something special, a pure pronunciation episode.
Listener request. We listen.
We absolutely listen. This is by request for you. Today is different from our regular episodes. We're not learning new phrases or situations. Today, we're teaching you how to read and pronounce Romaji correctly. Because here's the thing, you've been seeing Romaji in our captions, maybe in other videos, on signs in Japan, but do you actually know how to say it out loud?
This is important. Very important.
Super important. If you're new here, welcome. This is a foundation episode that will help you with every other episode. And if you've been watching our regular episodes, this is going to unlock everything. You'll finally know how to pronounce all those words you've been reading. All right, let's start with the absolute foundation. Japanese has 5 vowels, not like English with its crazy vowel sounds, just 5, and they're always consistent. Hiro, let's hear them.
あいうえおあいうえお
A, I, U, E, O. Now here's the key. These do not sound like English letters. Let me show you. A sounds like ah, like when a doctor says open wide and say ah. Hiro,
あ
ah, like father or spa, not like A in cake. Say it with me. Ah. Next, I sounds like E, like eat or feet, not like I. Hiro,
い
E, like machine. Say it E. U sounds like oo, like food or moon, not like you. Hiro,
う
oo, like flute. Your lips should be relaxed, not rounded like English oo. Say it oo. E sounds like like bed or let, not like E. Hiro,
え
like get. Say it, And O sounds like O, like boat or go, but shorter and crisper. Hiro,
お
O, like go. Say it, O. Let's practice all 5. Say them with Hiro. A, I, U, E, O.
あいうえお
A, E, U, E, O. Perfect. These 5 sounds are the key to everything. Memorize them. Now, here's how Japanese works. You combine consonants with these vowels. The pattern is consonant plus vowel equals a syllable. Let's start with K. K plus A is
か
ka, like car. K plus I is
き
key, like key. K plus U is
く
ku, like cool. K plus E is
け
ke, like kettle. K plus O is
こ
ko, like coat. See the pattern? Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. All using those 5 vowels. Let's try another consonant, S. S plus A is
さ
sa, like sauna. S plus I is, now watch this. This one's special.
し
She, not C, it's she, like she. This is one of the special ones. S plus U is
す
su, like soup. S plus E is
せ
se, like set. S plus O is
そ
so, like so. Great! So we have sa, she, su, se, so. Notice she is special. Let's try T. T plus A is
た、
ta, like taco. T plus I is another special one.
ち、
Chi, not tea, it's chi like cheese. T plus U is super special.
つ、
Tsu. This is the tricky one. It's like saying TS in cats, but as a full syllable. Tsu. T plus E is
て、
te, like 10. T plus O is
と、
toe, like toe. So ta, chi, tsu, te, toe. 3 special ones in this row. Let me give you a quick test. Read these with me. Ka, wa, I, e.
かわいい。
Kawaii. Cute. Arigatou.
ありがと
Arigato. Thank you. See? You're reading Romaji. Okay, you're already sounding better. And if you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button. This foundation will help you with every Japanese word you encounter. And seriously, thank you for requesting this episode. Your feedback shapes what we create.
Subscribe. Thank you for request.
Now, let's learn the rest of the special sounds and rules.
All right, let's finish the special consonants, the H row, but watch the foo sound. H plus A is
は、
ha, like hot. H plus I is
ひ、
he, like heat. H plus U is special.
ふ、
Foo, not who. It's like blowing out a candle. Foo. Your lips don't touch. H plus E is
へ、
hey, like head. H plus O is
ほ、
ho, like hope. So ha, he, fu, hey, ho. Now contracted sounds. These are when you see Y combinations, like kya, kyu, kyo. Listen.
きゃ、きゅ、きょ、きゃ、きゅ、きょ。
Kya, kyu, kyo. It's one quick syllable, not ki, ya. It's kya, like Tokyo, not Tokyo, it's Tokyo.
東京、東京。
Tokyo, one smooth word. Other examples are sha, shu, sho.
しゃ、しゅ、しょ。しゃ、しゅ、しょ。
Sha, shu, sho, like sushi, not sushi, it's quick. Or cha, chu, cho.
ちゃ、ちゅ、ちょ。ちゃ、ちゅ、ちょ。
Cha, chu, cho, like matcha. Now, double consonants. This is super important. When you see a double consonant like KK, PP, TT, you pause. The first consonant is a tiny stop. Listen to the difference.
きて、きて。
Hear that pause? Kite versus kipte. The double T creates a tiny pause. Another example, saka versus saka.
さか、さっか。
Saka versus saka. Pause on the double consonant. This changes meaning, so it's important. Now, long vowels. When you see double vowels or OU or EI, you hold the sound longer, like oka-san, mother.
お母さん、お母さん。
The OA is held longer, not okasan, it's okasan. Or sensei, teacher.
先生、先生。
Sensei, the EI makes a long A sound. Or Koko, high school.
高校、高校。
Ko-you, ko-you. The OU makes a long O sound. It's ko-ko, not ko-ho. Now, silent or shortened vowels. This is subtle but important. In words like Desu and Masu, the U is barely pronounced.
です、です。
Des, The U is super short, almost silent. It's more like des. Same with masu.
ます、ます。
Mas, more like mass. This happens with I too, especially between voiceless consonants, like shitsure, excuse me.
失礼、失礼。
Shitsure. The middle I in tsure gets shortened, natural Japanese rhythm. Now, the biggest mistake English speakers make. Stress. In English, we stress syllables. Computer, chocolate, banana. But in Japanese, every syllable gets even rhythm. Listen to sayonara.
さようなら、さようなら。
Sayonara. Even beats, not sayonara. All syllables equal. Try arigato.
ありがとう。ありがとう。
Arigato. Even, not arigato. This makes you sound so much more natural. Let's practice common mistakes. English speakers often say sake like seiki. Wrong. It's
酒、酒。
sake, even rhythm. Or karate, not karate. It's
からけ、空手。
karate, even beats. Or Tokyo, not Tokyo. It's
東京、東京。
Tokyo, smooth. Let's practice reading some words from our previous episodes.
All right, practice time. I'm going to show you words from our episodes, and you're going to read them out loud with proper pronunciation. Ready? From episode 1, greetings. Read this. Ohayo gozaimasu.
おはようございます。おはようございます。
Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Remember, even rhythm. Next, konnichiwa.
こんにちは、こんにちは。
Konnichiwa. Hello. Remember the wa sound at the end. From episode 3, arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Even beats. From episode 6, food. Ramen.
ラーメン、ラーメン。
Ramen. Notice the long A sound. Onigiri.
おにぎり、おにぎり。
Onigiri. Rice ball. From episode 7, restaurant. Itadakimasu.
いただきます。いただきます。
Itadakimasu. Before eating. Gochisou sama deshita.
ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。
Gochisou sama deshita. After eating. Notice the long O sound and shortened U in deshita. From episode 10, transportation. Suika tsukaemasu ka?
スイカ使えますか？スイカ使えますか？
Suika tsukaemasu ka? Can I use suika? Notice that tsu sound. Let's do a final challenge. Read this sentence. Watashi wa hiro desu. Nihon kara kimashita.
私はヒロです。日本から来ました。私はヒロです。日本から来ました。
Perfect! I'm Hiro. I came from Japan. Even rhythm on every syllable. Now you try. Pause the video and read these out loud. Practice makes perfect.
Practice. Important.
The best, and this is a skill that will serve you forever. Every Japanese word you encounter, you can now pronounce correctly. If this special episode helped you understand how to actually read and say Romaji, hit that thumbs up. This is foundation knowledge that makes everything else click.
お願いします。Please.
And tell me, what Japanese word have you been saying wrong this whole time? Did you learn something surprising? Drop it in the comments. I want to know your aha moments. This is a special foundation episode, so there's no next episode. You can watch this anytime you need a pronunciation refresher. But if you're following our regular series, go back to episode 1 and start building your Japanese with proper pronunciation.
Start with good pronunciation.
Exactly. You now sound like a real Japanese speaker. Use this knowledge in every episode, every word you see, every sign you read in Japan. You've got this.
またね皆さん。
じゃあね. See you next time.